was a bit of a quick overnight stay here in Wellington, a bit too quick. And we're all ready to embark on our first, and my first in New Zealand, inter-island ferry. Ferry is one of my favorite forms of travel, and this is something I've been looking forward to for a very long time. The ferry between both North and South Island is an experience that reminds me very much of the amount of ferries I used in Greece in the Cycladic Islands. It's very nice, cozy, and very scenic and very beautiful. We're here staying in this lodge near Picton, something I recommended to my family that we couldn't miss based on the scenery and the Marlborough Sounds. This place is unbelievable, and I'm glad we all can kind of stretch out and just relax with such a beautiful view right from our room. Although I have a whole year in New Zealand, being in wine country here in Marlborough is not something I would enjoy on my own. I'd rather enjoy it with family. Started from Wellington, ended in Christchurch. Like I said in my last video, it's a very, very quick moving trip. I'm very tired. I haven't drank as much coffee as I have. This is more for the quality time with the family. Then sightseeing. And I know that sounds weird, but the amount to see in 10 days is definitely not enough. We're just doing what we can, enjoying every second with each other. And that's that. Everybody talks about South Island. Now I can see why. Yep, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna jump. Nothing like an unlimited buffet with a view. The beauty just increases day by day the further south we go. I keep hearing more and more about Queenstown, and I can understand why people flock here. It's unbelievable. I would have eventually made it here on my own, but I'm really glad to see this place, see this region of New Zealand with family, because this is memories I'll cherish much more than on my own. We've covered a lot of ground in 2 days. We wish we had stayed in Tekapo for longer, but as I've said in previous videos, they don't have much time here. We gotta maximize our time and appreciate what we have, especially together. It's the end of the day here in Queenstown. We have to prepare for a very, very early morning to see probably the #1 attraction here in New Zealand, and that's Milford Sound. Thanks for joining me and my family on this voyage here in New Zealand. It's been a pleasure. I hope this is an inspiration for you to come to New Zealand or just travel the world, period. Stay tuned, and until morning, good night.